Hey guys, it's me, Sebastian, and I'm going to tell you something. Now I'm going to show you my Nerf war collection. I got at least 7 guns in. I believe it looks pretty dope. I hope you guys like it. So here I am. I'm watching the show called Mr. Young. So here's my Nerf war collection. Yeah, so anyways, sorry for that. I just tried to fix the camera. So my first gun here, I'm gonna describe the jolt. The jolt is pretty cool. It's a little hard to reload it if you're weak. I mean, I don't need it to be judgy, but still, it's really easy to reload. Really easy to reload. And and it's easy to, it's also easy to shoot. Yeah, I guess that was pretty cool. Wait, where did the bullet go? Oh. Anyways, that was the jolt. Now, on to the next weapon is my Poe-Dameron lightsaber. If you guys haven't seen The Force Awakens, you go watch it right now. It's pretty cool. I'm gonna load it up. It's pretty easy to load. You load it with this thingy right here. And yeah, it's pretty easy to load. Yeah, it also glows up in the dark. And I have to say, it's just a tiny bit heavier. A tiny bit heavier than the It's a tiny bit heavier than the jolt. Sorry, I just switched the camera real quick because you guys need to see this way. For you guys' information, I'm a lefty. Now we're on to some of our bigger weapons, which I got the dual strike right here. It's pretty strong, and you reload it with this right here. And it could switch to the Elite and the Mega. I'm gonna do it to the Mega right now. But easy. It's hard. Anyways, I'm gonna put it to Mega. Yeah, so you just have to reload it with this. So I'm gonna do another one. Okay, now I'm gonna put it back in. Okay, now I'm gonna go up to Elite. Sorry if I wasn't talking that much. It was kind of hard. Okay. There. Then elite. Where did the bullet go? As you see, it went really fast. Oh, here it went. If you guys, I'm gonna do it in a little bit of a more slow motion. Okay, so anyways, here's it again. Wait, let me reload real quick. Dang, I got 5 minutes left. You guys didn't see that, but you already get the point, right? Hey, you guys are blanked up. Okay. Okay, now we're going to. A pretty cool weapon is the rival. Not gonna shoot it because I could lose the bullets real quickly. Yeah, here it is. I barely got any ammo. Here is one of my favorite ones. It's really cool. I got it for like maybe an early Christmas. It's the It's the Outbreaker bow. Want to see how it works? So this is how you reload it. So scissors are here so you can reload it. Bandages is here to keep it up. But the handle is supposed to be some pliers holding it up. Here, ready?
Hello there, intrepid journalist.
Then I'm gonna reload.
That didn't fool you, even for a second.
I recognize those blue eyes anywhere.
Thanks.
And that concave chest.
Yep, that's definitely how it goes.
Thanks.
Anyways, on to my next.
So that was really you in the teddy cam fight? How this actually is.
Again,
Camera unmasking.
Well, I guess there's no harm. Slap.
Mr. Marvelous, I've been looking all over for you.
here's my gun.
You wanted to return my comic book, which you read carefully while wearing acid-free museum-grade cotton gloves?
No, it's my little crackers.
This is the Surfire. I got it for this Christmas, and it's pretty cool.
So, you're gonna have me damn back.
Sorry, if you guys didn't see that, you guys can see that again.
No, like,
Stay right here.
and that concludes a special report on Mr. Bugatti and his promise to help a desperate little boy save his life.
Okay, I got 2 minutes left.
Turn, I don't think this matters.
And then you.
Well, it's going to be sunny this weekend.
Okay.
Mesopotamia. But stay away from the beaches. They're always crawling with today.
Okay. So you reload with this, and then you shoot again with shooting. Yep, that's pretty cool. Now let me just go find the bullet real quick. Here, what? You guys can see that later. Now we're on to our last gun, which is my favorite of them all. It is the Outbreaker. The Dreadbolt. So I'm not gonna shoot it for you guys, but I'll describe it for you. So the aiming, so you have to pull this back first and then reload it to put this gun in right here. So to put the arrows in right here, and the aimer, or like the scope, is supposed to be a good a flashlight, and yeah, it's pretty cool. You shoot like this, and then this would go all the way back, and this screen would go all the way back. So I hope you guys liked the review, liked the review on my Nerf 4 collection. So I hope you guys liked it. So see you guys later. Bye. Oh wait, no, do not forget.